Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here we have the Casio AQ 800 and I'm gonna show you how to sync your analog time to your digital time. Previously on my video I have set my digital time over here. And let's see what's the time. It is 14 o'clock and 1 minute. The upper analog dial shows that it is 10 o'clock and 2 minutes. Now, to set it to correspond to your digital time, which is your, let's call it, main time, I'm gonna press this button over here, which is pretty hard to press, but I have a pen over here. Let's try. And there it is. When I press it once, it changes in increments of 20 seconds. When I press and hold it, it engages the fast rotation, and I'm gonna hold it until I get it to 14 o'clock and 2 minutes. Now I have successfully synced my analog and digital time. Maybe even went a little bit too far, but nevertheless you get the point. Thank you very much for watching yet another video on my channel. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.